Hello, check out my basket. Look at these beautiful green walnuts. So I came out to get plums as always, and then I noticed that these green walnuts were perfect. I'll cut one open in a minute and show you. You want to make sure that the shell inside is soft and hasn't started to form, as otherwise you won't be able to cut through them and you won't be able to eat them. So I'm gonna pick all these down. I'll show you a recipe. I'm also gonna candy them, almost like a Turkish style. And then the other thing I like to do is the liqueur or nocino. You just basically drown them in loads of aromats and vodka, okay, 40% proof, and that is it. So let's have a little look. Let's pick one and then I'll cut one open. This is the English walnut tree, but it's also known as the black walnut. Right, so let's do it. I'm going to use this fence post as my chopping board. Oh, lost half of one. I'll pick it up in a minute, but you can see now that you've got that beautiful kind of immature walnut inside. There's no shell. The shell starts to form here, and that's what you want. So that's perfect for pickling and candying, because you're going to be eating this whole thing. So you've got to make sure it's soft and edible inside. If there's any sign of shell forming, you can forget it. You'll end up with crunchy, gritty pickled walnuts or candied walnuts. So that's the key there. But make sure when you do this, wear gloves, because this will turn black. It will start to oxidize, and years ago that's what they used to dye cloves with. So your hands will literally turn black. I'm going to pick a few more, fill my basket up, and then I'm going to get back to the HQ and start getting some recipes together. And of course, as always, I'll share them with you all. Has anybody else found any yet?